Trapped in a 9-to-5 job? Unlock your freedom with affiliate marketing. Do you recall the thrill of landing your first job, full of ambition and dreams for the future? Fast forward a few years, and that dream job has turned into a monotonous cycle. You wake up to an alarm that fills you with dread, endure a tedious commute, and trade your valuable time for a paycheck that barely covers your bills. If this resonates with you, know you're not alone. Millions feel trapped in jobs that zap their energy and creativity. The good news? You can break free and live life on your own terms. The daily grind. A dull routine. Alarm blares. You stumble out of bed, resignation taking over. A long, frustrating commute eats away precious hours. Clocking in at an uninspiring job leaves you counting the minutes until you can leave. The cycle of living paycheck to paycheck persists. Does this sound familiar? You might be operating on autopilot and sensing a pressing need for change. Then one day, something shifts. Perhaps you see a friend thriving after a career change, or you read about someone who turned their life around by launching an online business. Suddenly you start pondering, what if I could work from anywhere in the world? What if I could generate income without being tied to a desk? What if I didn't need to exchange my time solely for money? These powerful questions point you toward an exciting solution: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative business model, enabling you to earn commissions by promoting others' products. No inventory, no employees, and minimal startup costs. All you really need is a laptop and an internet connection, paired with the right guidance. One standout name in this arena is John Crestani. His super affiliate program is not just another course. It's a comprehensive roadmap designed to help individuals like you break free from the 9-to-5 grind and establish a sustainable online income. Why choose the super affiliate program? Step-by-step training. Gain insights on choosing profitable products, driving traffic, and turning visitors into buyers. Proven strategies. No more guesswork. Follow a system that has empowered thousands to escape their cubicles. Supportive community. Connect with others on the same transformative journey. Location independence. Bid farewell to stressful commutes and embrace a flexible lifestyle. Earn as you learn. Start generating income while you complete the training. Leaving the comfort of a steady paycheck can be intimidating. But what's truly terrifying? Remaining in a job that depletes your spirit for another 10, 20, or 30 years. Every moment you hesitate about making a change is a choice for increased stress, more missed opportunities, wasted time doing something unfulfilling. The longer you wait, the more difficult it becomes. Remember, the regret of inaction will far outweigh the fear of taking a leap of faith. The Super Affiliate Program is about more than just making money online. It's about reclaiming time and happiness. Step 1. Sign up for the free webinar. Get insider knowledge on how affiliate marketing works and assess if it's right for you. Step 2. Make an informed choice. Continue in a job you despise or embrace your power to change your future. Step 3. Enroll in the 6-week training. Follow an easy-to-understand system to cultivate your own online income. FAQs, your questions answered. What is the Super Affiliate Program? It's an online course by John Crestani focused on teaching you how to create a profitable affiliate marketing business. Do I need prior experience? No. The program is beginner-friendly, providing step-by-step guidance. Can I balance this with a full-time job? Absolutely. Many participants start this journey as a side hustle. John Crestani's story. How a chance meeting with a multimillionaire gave him the help he needed to become the multimillionaire success he has become today. John was struggling with his career, feeling stuck and unfulfilled. One day, he met a multimillionaire who saw potential in him and offered guidance. This meeting was a turning point in John's life. With the millionaire's mentorship, John learned the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. He worked tirelessly, applying the strategies he was taught. Over time, his efforts paid off, and he became a successful multimillionaire. John's story is a testament to the power of mentorship and the potential of affiliate marketing to transform lives. When can I expect results? Results vary, but many students see income within just a few weeks. John Crestani's Super Affiliate Pro online course has helped numerous students achieve financial success. Here are 4 of his successful students who made 5 or 6 figures after taking his course. 1. Sarah, a single mom, made $100,000 in her first year. 1. Mike, a college dropout, earned $150,000 within 6 months. 1. Emma, a former teacher, generated $200,000 in her first year. 1. David, a retired engineer, made $120,000 in his first year. The Super Affiliate Pro online course includes comprehensive modules on affiliate marketing strategies, traffic generation, and conversion optimization. John Crestani updates the course every 6 months to ensure it remains current with the latest industry trends and techniques. Joining John Crestani's course frees you from the 9-5 slavery lifestyle. Imagine spending every day traveling on multiple vacations, living anywhere in the world you always wished you could afford, owning cars that you dreamed about, and finally being financially free. This freedom allows you to help others do likewise and support worthwhile causes. Picture yourself waking up to the sound of waves crashing on a tropical beach, or exploring ancient cities you once only saw in books. Envision a life where your time is your own, and you have the financial freedom to make choices that truly matter to you. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality for those who have taken the leap with John Crestani's Super Affiliate program. They are living proof that with the right guidance and tools, you can break free from the traditional work grind and create a life filled with passion, purpose, and endless possibilities. So, are you ready to take control of your destiny and experience the freedom lifestyle? The choice is yours. Hear from our successful students who have embraced this lifestyle and never looked back. They now enjoy the freedom to live life on their own terms every single day. Let's dive deeper into the success stories of John Crestani's students. Meet Sarah, who went from being a struggling single mum to earning 6 figures within a year. Through hard work and the guidance of the Super Affiliate program, Sarah was able to provide a better life for her children and achieve financial independence. Then there's Mike, who was able to quit his 9-to-5 job and travel the world while making a steady income through affiliate marketing. From the beaches of Bali to the cafes of Paris, Mike's journey showcases the true essence of a freedom lifestyle. These stories are just a few examples of how the Super Affiliate program can change lives. Ordinary people like you and me have transformed their futures, gaining not just financial freedom but also the ability to live life on their own terms. Imagine what your success story could look like. The possibilities are endless when you take that first step towards a new beginning with John Crestani's Super Affiliate program. The Super Affiliate Pro online course is packed with valuable content. It includes step-by-step guides, video tutorials, and live Quanda sessions with John Crestani himself. The course is updated every 6 months to ensure that the content is relevant and up-to-date with the latest trends in affiliate marketing. This comprehensive approach ensures that you have all the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced marketer looking to scale, the Super Affiliate Pro course caters to all levels. With John Crestani's expert guidance and a supportive community, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Enroll today and take the first step towards your freedom lifestyle. By joining the Super Affiliate program, you can break free from the 9-5 grind and live the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine spending your days traveling to exotic locations, driving your dream car, and having the financial freedom to support your loved ones and contribute to causes you care about. This is the freedom lifestyle that John Crestani's course can help you achieve. Picture yourself waking up each day with a sense of purpose and excitement, knowing that you're in control of your destiny. No more stressing about bills, no more dreading Mondays, just pure, unadulterated freedom. The Super Affiliate program is not just a course, it's a gateway to a life filled with possibilities and endless opportunities. Take the leap today and start living the life you were meant to live.